its kind battle-proven world's first nano-tactical drone, which is having a very light weight of application. This is a 250 gram nano-tactical drone which takes off, has an endurance of 30 minutes, has a range of 7 kilometers and return to launch after the mission. So the second very unique, world's only angular rotor platform is this. So this one has got a unique advantage of being the takes the help of angular rotor aerodynamics, so that it stays afloat even in low air densities. So which is unique for the high altitude regions. So this is very important for the high altitude application. And the other thing is it does not have a magnetometer, so it is jam resistant, and we have various other benefits like high tolerance to wind speed. And apart from this, for a regular consumer perspective and the commercial perspective and industrial perspective, cost effective options, we have many other options. We have total of 22 offerings of drones from our side, but very soon we will be expanding our portfolio to 30 different types of drones. So as a company, we come from the manufacturing core. We have 3 manufacturing units in Mumbai, and we have the R&D center located out of Bangalore, and very soon we will be expanding to multiple countries where we are exporting our drones which are fabricated outside India. Thank you.